we got iPhone 11, ear speaker is very low during calling. The customer told me that he can't hear anyone that he calling him. On loudspeaker, he can hear them. After checking, the problem is right. The ear speaker is totally closed with dust and some dirt, or this caused with makeup for girls. So let's bring our brush and clean it with alcohol. Sometimes cleaning with alcohol from the outside doesn't solve the problem. So the best option we have is to open the device, remove the ear speaker from the inside, and then we can clean from inside. This allows us to remove all the dust from the inside. As you can see, now we are getting some dirt out. It's somehow clean now. You need to keep cleaning for 5 minutes. Remember to use alcohol with 99%. Don't use 60, 70, 80. You can start from 90 to 99. And don't put anything, just alcohol. Don't put any liquid, whatever it was. I'm going to test to see if the voice is still very low or not. Yeah, the voice is still somehow low. We need to heat the alcohol with hot air gun at 150 Celsius degree just for a few seconds, and that's it. And then we are going to keep cleaning. This is fiber optics brush cleaning. Believe me, the cleaning from the inside is very easy and can make the job very perfectly done. This may solve your problem a little fewer, but if you open the device and cleaning from the inside, you may get perfect result. After last cleaning, we were able to solve the problem 95%, and that's it. And there was no need to open the device. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.